British studio Zaha Hadid Architects is creating 100 refueling stations in Italian marinas for energy company NatPower as the world's first green hydrogen refueling infrastructure. Designed to be used by recreational boats, the refueling stations by Zaha Hadid Architects will supply green hydrogen, a type of hydrogen produced using renewable energy. The first charging station is set to be installed this summer, with 100 planned to be built in 25 Italian marinas and ports by 2030, funded by a €100 million investment led by NatPower H, which is part of energy company NatPower. The charging stations form part of an effort to encourage the adoption of boats powered by green hydrogen for short trips. Hydrogen can be used to generate electrical power in a fuel cell emitting only water vapor and warm air, unlike polluting combustion engines. Installing the infrastructure to deliver green hydrogen, NatPower H aims to create a network of sustainable energy hubs in all major Italian marinas and establish ideal conditions to facilitate the ongoing development and use of hydrogen-powered vessels. According to the studio, the 100 stations could eliminate approximately 45,000 tons of greenhouse gas emissions from the area's recreational boats each year. These stations will each be divided into 8 curved bays and made from 3D printed concrete blocks with a layered composition designed to echo geometrics found in marine life. According to the studio, the 50 square meters stations will be fully recyclable and built from dry assembled sections to minimize construction waste. Built with low carbon concrete, the structural strength of Zaha's hydrogen refueling stations is generated through geometry rather than an increased use of materials. According to Zaha Hadid Architects director Filippo Innocenti said, integrating the latest innovations in construction techniques with the historic engineering developed throughout the Mediterranean by the Romans more than 2000 years ago, the station used advanced circular building technologies, reflecting NatPower H's commitment to an ecologically responsible future. The design follows research by Zaha's Computation and Design Research Group Zaha Code on masonry structures, 3D printed concrete and sustainable digital concrete construction developed alongside Block Research Group and Incremental 3D. Other projects exploring hydrogen refueling technologies include a mirror polished stainless steel refueling station by French designer Philippe Starck, designed to give a futuristic feel. Starck designed the dispenser for HRS, a leading European designer and manufacturer of hydrogen stations. HRS by Starck is based on the company's high-capacity refueling points, which can dispense hydrogen gas to power cars, HGVs, buses, boats, trains, and construction machinery. The prototype design is presented at COP28 Climate Summit in Dubai as part of the Green Zone, a hub dedicated to energy transition, technologies, innovation, and decarbonization. According to the designer, hydrogen is clean, it is nothingness, the ether. Hydrogen power is seen as an important alternative to fossil fuel as it has the potential to deliver low carbon efficient and affordable energy at scale. The products can be adopted to meet both professional and public needs, with example already operating in several locations across Europe. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update on construction videos.